Alright, so we'll just start disassembling item by item. I think a lot of this is quite straightforward how to do, but since I'm doing it anyways, it doesn't cost me anything, just record it. Light sheet optics, simply unscrew from the end of the light arm. And uncap. Next we're going to remove the counterbalance. It's handy to have a second person around when removing this. You're quite familiar with how to do it, because it's a little awkward to hold the weight and try to hold the arm in position. Counterbalance, you can reassemble so we don't lose the screws. I'll just put the screws back in. Put that all the way in for shipping. Takes up less room in the box. 3 screws for removing the light arm. And once again, make sure you take the cap the light arm. Set this to the side for now. Balance. Cap off the output of the light arm base. Loosen the slider. And cap off the input. Baggie for your screws, put them all together. And this tube you can just remove. I'll put in this bag here. Okay, next I'm going to show you what I would call your proper way of packing it. I don't know, it's not the only way of packing it, but just wanted to go over some things to look out for when packing.